Hey guys, so today we are doing this super easy, super yummy chicken biryani recipe that only takes about 15 minutes to make, and it's one of those dump everything into one pot recipes that just turns out so well. So I can't wait to show you guys the recipe. So I just wanted to show you guys that everything that you need is on this table. This recipe is so easy. So I'm going to start off by making the rice first. I have here 1 cup of basmati rice along with 1 1/3 of a cup of water. You don't want to add too much because you want to keep the rice nice and light. And then I have about 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, and then to that I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of minced garlic along with right around 1 bouillon cube. And then finally, I'm just gonna add like a sprinkle of turmeric because that's just gonna add a nice bright yellow color to this. So I have these Linda McCartney pulled chicken strips, and they are actually really close to the real deal, and I'm gonna put in right around a 1/2 cup. Now, if you guys don't have that, just feel free to put in like some seitan strips if you have it, or even some firm tofu that you've sliced up into small bits, and just probably salt it a little bit. And then right here, I'm gonna take about a 1/2 bunch of cilantro leaves, and I'm just gonna rip them. I'm not even gonna waste time cutting them. And then you're just gonna put them right in, and this guy is ready for the stove. Just give this guy a quick stir and bring it up to a boil, and then lower it down, and you want to cook the rice for right around 10 minutes before we add the veggies to it. So I have this really easy and quick way of putting small bits of carrots and also cucumber right into the rice, and that's just grating it. Now, if you guys have a food processor, feel free to use that, but this is just really one less thing to wash. And so that was 1 carrot. Now, when I tried it with the cucumber, it was a little bit more difficult. It was definitely a lot more watery with the cucumber. So what I ended up doing was just taking 1/2 of a cucumber, and then I cut it into small slices. So right when there's just around 2 to 3 minutes left for the rice, we're gonna put in all of our vegetables and just give that a nice stir around, and that way you can keep the vegetables from being overly soggy as well, so it's still like nice and crunchy and fresh. Also guys, if you wanted to add some purple onions to this, it would make the colors look amazing. What you guys are missing is really the fragrance and the aroma. Like, you have the garlic and the ginger, and it's just so good. So afterwards, it is ready for plating, and of course you gotta make it look good, right? So play around with those cucumbers, and this was such an amazing dish, and it was so easy, and I love using basmati rice again because it's like nice and loose, and it's colored from that turmeric. So I'm just putting a little bit of fresh coriander on top, and really, there you guys go. I'm obviously going to try it for you. This is actually, it's one of my go-tos, very much like that udon noodles recipe, and you just have the perfect trifecta of like garlic and ginger and cilantro, and it is just so good. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I know that it will be a big time saver for you. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you all again next time. Bye!